Need short-term money to get from one deal to the next? That is what's called a bridge loan. A bridge loan is temporary financing that is intended to bridge that gap until you can get a long-term loan. Now, there are some common mistakes that investors make when using bridge loans, so be sure to stick with me. I'll talk about that later, but for now, let's dive in. You can buy a distressed property with a bridge loan, renovate it, then refinance into a traditional mortgage once it is stabilized. Now, the bridge loans, they're great in the sense that they're fast and they're flexible, but they do come at a cost. They have higher interest rates and fees. And, a lot of times what we see happen with bridge loans is new investors can make the mistake of basically not aligning the bridge loan with their timeline. This is where you get in big trouble. So if you have a certain timeline that you've got to hit and you end up going way over time, the project takes longer than expected, you could be forced to ultimately have to refinance or even sell the property before you're ready to. So always be sure to build in a buffer when using a bridge loan. Always account for, contingency, how something could take longer, a project could potentially take longer than you might think. Get some experienced investors that can help you, give you an idea on how long the project should take, because what you don't want to do is run out of time with a bridge loan. Bridge loans are just like jet fuel, powerful for short bursts, but are pretty dangerous if you run them for too long. Bridge loans can be a really great way to help fund some of your deals. You just have to be careful. Like I said, they can be a little bit dangerous if you don't use them properly. And if you're interested in learning who my preferred lender is, be sure to comment in below money in the comment section, and I'll be happy to hook you up with who I use as my preferred bridge loan provider / hard money lender. They're great to work with, and like I said, I'm happy to connect you with them and see if it would be a good fit. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm putting out new content almost on a daily basis, and there's plenty of value, and it's absolutely free, so why not? As always, thank you for watching the video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.